Welcome to the Load Balancer Enterprise ADC. The system overview gives you an at-a-glance health check of every appliance. You can perform quick tasks on any service and quickly drill into live connection graphs. And when you need more detail, the Reports section offers full graphing of every metric, from hourly trends to monthly history.
Every virtual service is easily configurable in a couple of clicks. Open a service to edit its settings, or fine-tune the load balancing itself, from the distribution algorithm to health checks. Access control rules are just as simple. Match on paths, headers, ports or IP addresses, and choose exactly how the ADC responds. When you're happy, commit your changes. Return to this section at any time to fine-tune your appliance.
Handling secure traffic is effortless. SSL termination is built in. Bind a certificate to any service, choose your operation mode, and encrypted traffic is decrypted and passed straight to your cluster. Certificates and C families are managed right here too, complete with CRL support.
Security and global availability can easily be accessed from the service section. The built-in web application firewall sits in front of any service, with header rewriting, fallback servers and backend encryption a click away. And with GSLB, you can publish a global name and balance traffic across sites and data centers, complete with health check pools and topologies.
When you need to look deeper, the Reports and Logs sections have you covered. Reports give you live status and traffic counters for every layer, plus graphing of any metric, bandwidth, packet rates, connections, over hours, weeks, or months. And the Logs section brings every subsystem together in one place. Load balancer activity, Layer 4 and 7, SSL termination, WAF events, and heartbeat, all searchable and downloadable in a click.
And if you ever need a hand, help is built right in. Generate a full support archive of configs and logs in one click, or talk to a real engineer over live chat. The Load Balancer team is never more than a moment away.